Hi, good morning, friends. We have discussed solving Sudoku puzzle 1 with method 2 so far in 3 different parts. Now we are discussing it in 4th part. Friends, let us see. Take box 8 because box 8 and box 2 are having less number of cells filled. So let us take up box 8 and row R8. See here in R8 3 cells must be filled up. 1 is there, 2 is not there, 3 is there, 4 is not there, 5 is not there. So we have to fill these 3 cells with 2, 4, 5. So let us take box is common. Only cells are different, columns are different. So we have to rows and box are common. Box B8. What are the numbers? 1, 6, 7 and 9. Row R8. 1, 3, 9, 8, 7, 6. So we have to first identify which cell must be filled up first. So this is R8. Let us write it. This is R8 C4. R8 C4. R8 C5. I am doing this extra exercise just to make you understand better the procedure. So R8 C6. Friends, now these things are common, but columns are different, na? So let us write what are all the appearing in column C4. 1, 9, 5, 1, 9, 5, 7 and 6. These are appearing in column C4. So what are the numbers appearing in C5? C5. 5, 6, 1, 2 and 7. Two and 7. So column C6. 7, 6, 4, 8, 3, 1 and 9. Friends, let us see, we have to complete the series from 1 to 9. So let us take, let us take box 8, row 8 and column C4. So here 1 is there, 2 is not there, so 4 is not there. So 2 and 4 must be filled up. So we have to fill up only one number. So we are not sure, so leave it like that. Now coming to C5. C5, let us see C5. So 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is not there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, 9 is there. So in this we have to fill only 4 only. Suppose if you come to this one, because this is to make you understand how to identify which cell must be taken first. So here let us see C6. C6, 1 is there, 2 is not there, 3 is there, 4 is there. So 5 is not there. So we have to fill it 2 and 5. So here this cell we can identify very accurately which number we can fill it up. So only one number we have to fill it up. So let us first take 4. Now let us so we have filled up 4. Now let us see R8. Now we have added 4. C5. C5. R5 C5. This is R8 C5. R8 C5. R8 C5 cell is filled with 5. Sorry, 4. Let us see whether the series will be completed or not. So C5, let us write C5. C5 is 5, 6, 1, 2, 4 and 7. Let us see whether series is completing or not. Oh, 4 we have just now added. So originally it is only 7. So let us see, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4, now only we have added, 4 is not there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, 9 is there. So only that is alright, series has been completed. Now let us add, now add 4. So this we have done it. Now let us come to column C6. Column C6. So let us see. Column C4. C4, what are all the things are available? Numbers C4, 1, 9, 5, 7, 6. So let us see. This is R8 C4. So which number is not there? Let us see. 1 is there, 2 is not there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there. So it must be filled with 2. Let us write 2 here. Now the only number is 5 only, that we can as it is we can fill it up, but anyway we have to see the series, that is why let us write completely. Now here R8 another number has been added, 2. Here also B8 2 and 4 are added, have been added. 2 and 4 have been added. Now let us take column C6. C6. 7, 6, 4, 8, 3 and 1. So let us see which is the missing number. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is not there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, 9 is there. So R8 C6 must be filled with 5. So let us fill it up with 5. Friends, I have taken this additional exercise just to make you understand better. Moreover, see, I am 78 years old and you are all very much younger to me and must be smarter and active. So you need not spend as much time as I have spent on these procedures. Now, here, see, R7 must be filled up with 3 and 8. So here, in these columns, no 3 or 8 is coming, so it is not sure. Let us leave it like that. Now, coming to this box, box 2, B2. What are all the numbers? 7, 1, 5 and 6. So, now take R2, row R2. What are all the numbers? 5, 6, 1, 4, 8 and 7. Okay. So let us take column C4. Let us take cell. Okay, sorry. Here only. R2 C4. Let us take R2 C4. R2 C4 cell. It must be filled. So C4, what are the numbers that are present? 1, 9, 5, 1, 9, 5, 7, 2 and 6. So in this 1 is present, 2 is present, 2, 3 nowhere it is present, 4 is present, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there and 9 is there. So this must be filled with 3. So let us fill 3 here. Now coming to column C5. Here in the box, one more number has been added, 3. Now column C5, let us see. C5. No, R2 C5. C5 column, let us see. This is C5 means 5, 5, 6, 1, 2, 4 and 7. Okay. Okay, let us see. Now, let us see what is the missing number. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there. So, missing number is 9. Let us fill up this cell with 9. Now, only one number is left over in R2. Let us fill. Another number 9 has been added. C5, okay. R2, here 3, 9 has been added, R2. Only now cell R2, C6 must be filled. Naturally we can do it with 2 only, one number left over, but anyway, let us see. C6, column C6. 7, 6, 4, 8, 3, 1, 5 and 9. Let us see. 1 is there, 2 is nowhere, so 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, 9 is there. So the only missing number is 2. Let us fill it up with 2. So now this column R2 is, row R2 is filled up, row completed. R2 is completed. Now let us in the box we have to add 3, 9, 2 also. Row R2 is completed. Let us see, row R2 is completed, so we need not erase it. B2. Now let us come to R1. 2, 9, 3, 7, 6, 1 and 5 are in the R1. Now let us take C5, because many number of cells are filled up, so he is having many number of cells are filled up, so let us take C5. C5. What are the numbers? 9, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4 and 7. So we have to fill up R1, C5. So let us see. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is not there. So let us fill it up with 8. This is 8. Now only one column is left in R1. So now in the box 8 is added. Row R1 also 8 has been added. Okay. Now let us take column C4. What are all the numbers written? 3, 1, 9, 5, 7, 2, 2 and 6. C4, okay. R1, C4, R1, 293, 8, 7, 6, 1, 5, 8. B2, 7, 1, 5, 6, 3, 9, 2, 8. Okay, let us see. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, See, 4 is not there. 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, 9 is there. So we have to fill up this with 4. So friends, this row R1 is completed and box 2 is also completed. R1 and B2 are completed. Friends, now we are left with only these two cells. This is R7, this is box 8, B8. What are all the numbers? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. 6, 7 and 9. 4, sorry, B8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 and okay. Now let us take R7. What are all the numbers? 4, 7, 6, 1, 9, 5 and 2. Let us take column C4. C4. Okay. C4. 4, 4, 3, 1, 9, 5, 7, 2 and 6. So let us say 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 9 is there. So 8 we have to fill it up. See, otherwise it is a cross check. Already we have to fill these two with 8 and 3. Already 3 is there, so naturally 8 will come here. But anyway, to understand the procedure, to complete the series only, we are doing all these exercises. So R7 C4 is filled with 8. Now we are left with only one cell. Naturally, we need not write all these things again. So simply box will be same and column only will be changing. R7 will be changing. Only one. So with this, the whole Sudoku puzzle one, method 2, part 4 is completed. The whole Sudoku puzzle method part 4 is completed, and also the whole the Sudoku puzzle. The Sudoku puzzle is completed, and also the whole puzzle is completed. Thank you, friends. I hope you have liked these videos. Please kindly subscribe. Thank you.